Want to sound more fluent in Korean? Then you need these 6 basic question words. I will teach you what they mean, how to use them, and even the difference between 누구 and 누가. Let's start with 누구. It means who, but it's used as the object or the target of the sentence. For example, 누구 좋아해요? But what about 누가? It also means who, but it's used as subject of the sentence. For example, 누가 왔어요? 누가 했어요? 누구, object, 누가, subject. Next is 뭐, which means what. For example, 뭐예요? What are you doing? 이거 뭐예요? What is this? 뭐 is casual. In formal speech or writing form, it becomes 무엇. But people usually go with 뭐 when they say it. 어디 means where. Use it when you ask about locations. For example, 어디에 가요? Where are you going? 화장실 어디예요? Where is the bathroom? 언제 means when. For example, 언제 시작해요? When does it start? 언제 만날까요? When should we meet? 왜 is one of my favorite. It means why. For example, 왜 늦었어요? Why are you late? 왜 울어요? Why are you crying? And to answer to a 왜 question, you usually hear 왜냐하면, because. Last one, 어떻게, it means how. Super useful in daily life. For example, 여기 어떻게 갔어요? How did you get here? 이거 어떻게 해요? How do you do this? In K-dramas, you might hear 어떻게. But this is a huge mistake for Korean learners. 어떻게 in K-drama you hear is not how. It's actually 어떻게 해. What do I do? Quick recap one more time. 누구, 누가, who, object versus subject. 뭐, what. 어디, where. 언제, when. 왜, why. 어떻게, how. Learn these 6 and you can ask questions like a native. Try to make your own Korean question using one of these question words and comment it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean content. And that's it for today. See you!